scour the internet for great tech products, but don't you hate when you buy something and then later on figure out that you could have got it on sale on another website? Well, with this next product, it is built to scour the internet for you and find the best deals on your favorite tech products through consumer sites like Amazon and eBay. It is called Pricefox, and it is an extension plugin for your web browser. It works in the background while you browse online. Instead of opening multiple tabs to compare prices, Pricefox scans other retailers in real time and shows you where the same product might be cheaper. So to shop smarter, check Pricefox before you pay. Once installed, Pricefox activates when you visit a product page, and it pulls up pricing details from multiple stores and highlights available deals, discounts, and lower priced alternatives. You can also check price drops, which is especially useful for expensive electronics like headphones, monitors, and smartphones. The biggest advantage here is the convenience, so you don't have to rely on just one store or wait for a sale. Pricefox helps you to catch discounts you might have otherwise missed. For tech buyers who care about value, that can mean real savings over time. Download the Pricefox extension available on Chrome and Safari. Check Pricefox before you pay.